I did some amazing curls in my hair today, so I thought we could try a really cute hairstyle that looks amazing with amazing curls. I got my curls using this wand right here from Wavy Talk. It is a tapered wand. It starts off at about 1 inch and goes down to about 1/2 inch. I'd have to look up the specific dimensions, but just from eyeballing it, that looks about correct. This is one of their 5-in-1 tools, so like you can actually change out the curling mechanism. It's the same tool that I use when I use my thermal styling brush, my chopstick wand, all of those attached to this base and have different tops. And I do have that in my Amazon storefront if you're interested in using the same one as me. But honestly, any medium to small size curling wand is going to work. Just give yourself tons and tons of curls. I just took tiny sections. When the vlog is posted where I curl my hair like this, I will link it in this video. But really you can't go wrong just taking very small sections and using a small to medium wand. I also prepped my hair with a bunch of Stronghold volume mousse, and that will help me get lots of volume and it will help my curls stay longer. All right, really simple hairstyle. I'm gonna give myself a center part and I'm gonna bring that part all the way down the back of my head, making sure if you are going to wear this style that you double check what the back looks like before you get started. But if you're just experimenting and playing around, who cares? And then we are going to take 2 pieces right here at the top and we're gonna do a 2-strand twist. We've done these before, but just as a refresher, we're gonna take the front piece and twist it over the back piece. Now the back piece has become the front piece. We're gonna add a little bit more hair and we're gonna twist them over each other again. And each time that back piece comes forward and becomes the front piece, we just grab a little hair and we twist it back. The beauty of doing this with curls is that if it's a little messy, no worries, because the curls look good with messy. The curls are messy and we're not going for a really tight, sleek look. So then I'm just gonna tuck that behind my ear, take that hair that I grabbed, use a small ponytail. This is just like a regular child's sized hair tie, and we are just gonna create a little ponytail. This is such a simple hairstyle, but it is so cute. Imagine it on a spring day, cute summer dress. You're like going to the picnic, going to a lake. I don't know, that's what I envision for a hairstyle like this. It's just really pretty, really soft, really feminine, really cute. And I love stuff like that when the weather's getting nice and we're getting to like summer, spring, those vibes. I don't know what that guy's doing. Now I do have shorter layers, so towards the top at the back there are hairs that definitely will not get incorporated into the style, and to handle that all I would do is just add a layer of Stronghold hairspray before I go out for the day. But look at that, how fast was that and how pretty is that? It's so cute. You can even kind of pull it out a little, make it a little bit more voluminous and soft. And again, it's gonna feel very loose, but if you hit that with some really Stronghold hairspray, it's not gonna go anywhere. I mean, unless it was like a really windy day, then probably not the right vibe. There we go, that's it. That's literally the style I wanted to show you today, and it works so well when you've put a ton of curls, especially if you put a ton of curls in and it just feels like too much and you're not used to all of that curly hair and you're not sure what to do with it. This is a great style to try to kind of bring all that down but still incorporate all the texture that you created with all those curls. I hope that helps. I hope this gives you another fun I hope that helps. I hope this gives you another fun and easy hairstyle that you can try at home. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it works for you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you are not already a subscriber here, what are you doing? Subscribe, because we would love to have you as part of the DIY Hair School family. See you next time, guys. Bye.